So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is breaking news that Uber just announced healthcare benefits, healthcare stipend, at least $300 for drivers. And this is gonna be implemented after Prop 22 passes, which yes, I have faith. I'm 100% voting yes on Prop 22 because I think drivers should still remain independent. And actually this Prop 22, guys, doesn't look half bad. It definitely makes things better and it doesn't make things worse than it currently is. And I currently think the model of Uber, yes, it's not perfect and it has its flaws, and yes, I think drivers should be paid more, but honestly, it looks like drivers are gonna be getting paid more. So I'm pretty happy about that. As you guys know, Uber introduced a new pay model for drivers. This is in California, by the way, guys, but I'm assuming if this passes, this could go nationwide. If you're in Oklahoma, if you're in Timbuktu, Idaho, if you're in Arkansas, Florida, New York, I'm not gonna name off every single state, but this could be coming to your state too, if you're not in Cali. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys, because this is the first time Uber has made any official announcement about healthcare specifics. I know they talked about it in the past because basically Uber or the government wanted to make drivers employees, right? Uber said no. Well, they passed the laws saying that they have to. Uber still said no. But what Uber wants to do is create a third type of worker, and it's a guaranteed pay model. So you're guaranteed to make at least a certain amount, but no upper limit. So you could still make, your 30, 40, 50 bucks an hour if you get a good ride, whatever. A couple good rides, surge zones. The second one is healthcare stipend. So you get a healthcare stipend. And then the third one is, what's the other one? Third one is healthcare, I think it's like vacation time. But anyways, let's look into it. Prop 22 versus employment. Hi, Dylan. Hi, Uber. Is this Dara emailing me again? No, it's just Uber. I can't say hi back to Dara. Bummer. Dara's the CEO, by the way, if you don't know. 72% of drivers and delivery people have already said that they're voting yes on Prop 22. I am too. Together we can secure, I'm part of that 72%. Together we can, by the way, don't thumbs down this video if you're voting no. This is just me sharing news, okay? I'm not telling you to vote yes or no. I'm just giving you guys the facts. I honestly hate when people are like, vote yes on this prop. I'm like, bruh, I don't even know what the prop's about. Let me do my research first. Like, bro, let people vote for themselves. Vote no on Prop 22. Like, bro, can I read what it's about first? Like, no, just vote no. I'm like, okay. That's called trying to control people. So don't vote yes or no. Read it first and then decide for yourself. That's why we're fighting so hard to pass Prop 22. Prop 22 would protect the flexibility that drivers and delivery people like you value, while also delivering new benefits you deserve, including an earnings guarantee. Earn at least 120% of minimum wage plus 30 cents per mile for expenses, with no upper limit on how much you can earn. We already heard about that. Basically, it's a guaranteed pay rate, like I said, 1.2 times minimum wage plus the 30 cents per mile. That's guaranteed. The only downside of that is that it's only during trips and en route to trips, to pickups. So while you're waiting, you're still not getting paid. Whatever. Healthcare benefits. Receive a stipend of at least $300 a month, depending on how much you drive, toward health insurance or medical care. My health insurance costs $170 a month. Bro, if they could pay for that, I'm like chilling. That's pretty dope for me, actually. That's actually one of my biggest expenses, is because I am self-employed, or whatever you want to call it. I own a business. I have an LLC, but I don't have like that's just for tax reasons. But I'm not getting health insurance from any company, so I have to buy it myself. But if they could pay for that, that would be dope. That would be super dope, because they said it's at least going to be $300 a month. So I'm assuming every single driver is getting $300 a month. As you guys know, I'm not a full-time driver. I just do it part-time. And I'm not even driving Uber right now. I'm doing Uber Eats and Postmates more, because I don't want to go out and do rideshare, just personal health reasons. Oh yeah, in occupational accident insurance, cover medical bills if you're injured while driving or delivering. Not bad, just saying. You don't have to accept all trips, but you do, they're gonna make you accept all trips if you vote no on Prop 22. Limited number of drivers allowed on the platform. Only 20 to 30% of current drivers would be allowed if Prop 22 doesn't pass. I honestly really hope it doesn't pass. So here's how the healthcare works. If you drive or deliver an average of 15 hours a week, you're eligible for at least $150 a month for healthcare and medical costs. If you drive and deliver an average of 25 hours a week, you're eligible for the full contribution of $300 a month. Your weekly average consists of on-route and on-trip time over a calendar quarter. So that's 3 months. And I think this works with Postmates too, because Uber does own Postmates, I would assume. You'd receive the stipend from every rideshare or food delivery app you use. So actually, I think you can even do like DoorDash and stuff too. That's weird. I don't know how that would work, but that's pretty sick. That's it, guys. That you guys know it now. Pretty awesome though, but you can get that money. $300 a month. Hey, not bad. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Check out Cover down below too. Cover is an awesome company. They give drivers paid time off and sick leave. So honestly, with this and Cover, or if you live in another state and that you don't get the Prop 22 stuff, just Cover alone would be great. But this and Cover, you're literally set. Like, you got pretty much all the benefits you need, plus you're getting good pay. So yeah, guys, have a great day, and I will talk to you all soon. Oh yeah, by the way, if you use my link for Cover, you get your first 30 days for free. So hey, there you go. You can try it out, no risk. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.